my dear students. So here I am your Arka sir. So I have come with a fresh and new episode on JEE and NEET special. Okay. So in my channel Physics Scholar. So if you have missed my previous episode, you have to watch from the beginning to understand all the MCQ we have solved over here. Okay. And the topic is going on current electricity. So as much as I can, I will try to solve it over here so that you can do more practice and you can go to the examination hall with full confidence. Okay. So today also we will solve some numeric problems and the conceptual questions, clear, so that whenever your concept will be clear. So basically today we will do the problems from the Wheatstone bridge and the potentiometer, clear. So now let us start from the beginning from problem number 1. Okay. So 4 resistors are connected as shown in the figure. A 6 volt of negligible resistance is connected. Okay. 6 volt battery of negligible resistance is connected across terminal A and C. Across terminal A and C, a 6 volt battery is connected. Clear? Now the potential difference across the terminal B and D. Across terminal B and D, we have to determine the potential difference. Clear? So basically, it's a we can actually rearrange the diagram just like a Wheatstone bridge. Okay. So what will be the diagram? The diagram will be like this. It is A, B, B, C, C, D. Okay. And A and C, the battery is connected with A and C, clear. So it is 6 volt, clear. The current will come from here, okay, and again it will come back to battery. Okay. So it is what? AB, AB means what? 5 ohms. Okay. BC, BC means 15 ohms. Okay. CD means 30 ohms and it is 10 ohms, clear. So in balance condition C, 15 by 5 means 3 and 10 by 30 by 10 means 3, clear. So the P by Q is equal to R by X, clear, in balance condition. So in balanced condition, the potential difference, that means what? If we put any galvanometer over here, then no deflection will take place, clear. So the potential difference across point B and D will be 0. So VB minus VD is equal to 0, clear. So how you can find out that this is the Wheatstone bridge? Because what? P by Q is equal to R by X. Okay. So its P is what? 15 by 5 is equal to what? 30 by 10. So that means what? That is what? 3 and it is also 3. So this condition is satisfied, clear. So now the thing is that so this is the equivalent circuit from this, clear, diagram. Okay. So in the balance condition, no current will flow. It is not given. So if we connect, then what? No deflection will take place in galvanometer. Clear? That means what? The potential difference across B and D will be 0, or between B and D will be 0. That means what? VB minus VD is equal to 0. So the answer number A will be the correct option. So the answer will be what? Answer will be option number A. Clear? So in the balance condition, the potential difference across these two terminals will be 0. Clear? In case of the Wheatstone bridge. Okay. So students, hope you have understood this problem. Now let us move to the next question number 2. Okay students, now another very common type of numeric problem comes very often. This type of thing used to come in the joint or NEET examination. Clear? So the resistance PQRS are arranged in a cyclic order to form a balanced Wheatstone network. Clear? The ratio of the power consumption in the branches P plus Q and R plus S is, okay. So we have to find out. 4 options are given: 1:1, R is to P square is to Q square, P square is to R square. Clear? We have to find it out. Okay. So what we can write in balance condition? Balance condition. What we can write? P by Q is equal to R by S. It is equation number 1. Clear? Power dissipation. Dissipation across resistance R and voltage V is what? V square by R. Clear? So power dissipation P Q plus S divided by power dissipation P plus Q, P R plus S, okay, is equal to R plus S by P plus Q. Okay, it is equation number 2. Now from equation 1, what we know? P by Q is equal to R by S. Adding 1 in both sides. P by Q plus 1 is equal to R by S plus 1. So Q will be the LCM. P plus Q is equal to S will be the LCM, R plus S. So therefore R plus S by P plus Q is equal to S by Q. Okay. So from 1 what we know? P by Q is equal to R by S. Okay. So S by Q is equal to R by P. Clear? So what we can write now? R plus S by P plus Q is equal to, instead of S by Q, R by P. Clear? So R by S means what? Power dissipation of P plus Q divided by P. Okay, it is R by P plus Q, P R plus S. Okay, is equal to R by P is equal to R is to P. Clear? That means what? Option number B. I am explaining it once again. Clear? How I have done? See, in the balance condition, what we know? P by Q is equal to R by S. Clear? As these are proper the power consumed in the branches, and these are what? In the Wheatstone network. Okay, so in the balance condition, P by Q is equal to R by S. Now power dissipation V square by R. Clear? So P summation of P plus G divided by power P summation of R plus S is equal to R plus S by P plus Q. Okay, this is the formula. This is also a formula. Clear? Now the thing is that, now so from the equation number 1, means this one. What we know? P by Q is equal to R by S. So you are adding 1 with the both sides. So P plus Q by Q is equal to R by S plus S. Okay, R by S by S. So R plus S by P plus Q is equal to S by Q. So from 1, what we know? P by G is equal to R by S. So S by Q is equal to R by P. So instead of S by Q, we are writing here what? R by P. Clear? So P of R plus S means what? R plus S means what? Power of P plus Q. Clear? Power of P plus Q and P plus Q means what? Power of R plus S. Clear? So power of R plus S is equal to R by P is equal to R is to P. So R is to P. So this will be your answer. Clear? So students, hope you have understood. Clear? This problem very important for the examination. This type of sums, actually numeric problem, very often and very common type of sums. Clear? For the JEE main advanced as well as the NEET examination. So hope you have understood. You practice. If you have any doubt, any clarification you want, write it in the comments. Clear? So without further delay, now let us move to the problem number 3. Okay students, so now here it is problem number 3. Okay, 4 resistances are of 3, 3, 3 and 4 respectively are used to form a Wheatstone bridge. Clear? The 4 ohm is short circuited with a resistance capital R in order to get the bridge balanced. Clear? Now the value of R will be, see, the ratio of the 4 resistances P by Q is equal to R by S should be same. Clear? So this 3 by 3 is 1, then this should be what? It is shunted with another. So the equivalent resistance will be in order to 3. Clear? So what to get the bridge balanced condition, okay, the shunted resistances should be equal to 3 ohms. Clear? So now what? So 4 and R, okay, are in parallel. So equivalent resistance is equal to what? 4 into R into 4 by R plus 4. So by the problem what? It should be equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 4R by R plus 4. Clear? So that means 4R is equal to 3R plus 12. Clear? Therefore 4R minus 3R is equal to 12. Okay. So R is equal to 12 ohms. Clear? So 12 ohms. So option number C. So answer will be option number C. Clear? That will be your answer. So now see what the 3 ohms are of 3 the value of each ohms are is what 3 ohms. Clear? So 3 number of ohms are there and another resistors are there, that is what 4 ohms, the value of that resistor, and 3 number of resistors are there, the value of each resistor is 3 ohms. Clear? Now the it is connected to form a Wheatstone bridge, and 4 ohm is short circuited with a unknown resistor capital R. Clear? Now what is happened? In order to get bridge balance, the value of R, so the capital R and this 4 ohms will be in parallel. Okay, so and that should be equal to the 3. Then the P by Q is equal to R by S. That equation will be satisfied. Clear? So that means what? If two resistors are parallel, then equivalent means what? Multiplication of the two resistor divided by sum of the two resistor. Clear? So R into 4 divided by R plus 4, that is equal to 3. So from this equation we are finding the value of R, which is what? 12 ohm. Very easy. So the option number C will be correct. Clear? So students, hope you have understood this. So option number 3 will be correct over here. Okay. So without further delay, now let's move to the problem number 4. Okay students, so here we have come with problem number 4. Clear? So in a figure the bridge is balanced. That means what? No current is the deflection of galvanometer will be 0. Clear? So the current flowing through 2 ohm resistor. Okay, the current flowing through 2 ohm resistor means this. Clear? We have to find out. Okay, so 4 options are given: 10 by 7, 11 by 7, 13 by 7. Whatever the option will the answer will come, this should match with the option. Clear? Now the thing is that you see these two resistances are in series and these two resistances are in series. Okay, and it is 2 ampere current. So this is suppose I, so this is also I, because these are in series. So the current flow to the resistors which are in series will be same, and this will be what? 2 minus I. Clear? So it is also 2 minus I, 2 ampere, and out of 2 ampere I is flowing through this branch, and here it will be 2 minus I. Clear? And this will meet over here and it will be again I. Okay, so that will be the flow of direction of current. Clear? So now as it is in balanced condition, as the bridge is in balanced condition, so the voltage across arm PQR will be same same to the voltage across arm what? PSR. Clear? Why? Because that's why the voltage are same, that's why no current is flowing and the galvanometer deflection between Q and S will be 0 as the bridge is in balanced condition. Clear? Now the thing is that see, so if I amount of current is flowing through arm PQR, then 2 minus I amount of current will flow through PSR. Okay. Now the thing is that see, so what is the voltage? What is the equivalent resistance? 4 plus 2. Clear? So current into voltage of PQR is equal to current means what? 2 minus I into what? Into equivalent resistance 10 plus 5, that is voltage. So voltage across PQR is equal to the voltage across PSR. Okay, that I have written here. PQR is the voltage across PSR. So current into resistance is the voltage. So the equivalent resistance will be as these two resistances are in series. So 4 plus 2, and this is what? Current 2 minus I into what? Equivalent resistance as 10 and 5 are in series. So it will be 10 plus 5. So it will be what? 6I is equal to 2 minus I into 15. Clear? So 6I is equal to therefore 30 minus 15I. Okay. So 6I minus plus 15I is equal to 30. So 21I is equal to 30. So I is equal to 30 by 21. Okay. 30 by is equal to what? 10 by 7 ampere. So which is correct? Option number A. So the answer will be option number A. Okay, that will be the correct answer, 10 by 7. Clear? So I am explaining it once again. Okay, so it is this figure is given. So it is the Wheatstone bridge in balanced condition. That means no current is flowing between Q and S. Clear? Now the thing is that the current 2 ampere is so why no current is flowing? Because the voltage potential difference between the point Q and S will be 0. Only in that condition no current will flow. Okay, and the galvanometer deflection will not be there. Okay, now 2 ampere current is flowing. Now suppose this branch I current out of 2 ampere I number of current is flowing, and this branch 2 minus I number of amount of current will flow. Clear? So now the thing is that what is the voltage across this current into total resistance? Total resistance is 4 plus 2 into I. 4 plus 2 into I, that means voltage is equal to 2 minus I into total resistance. So what? 10 plus 5 means 15. So from here we are calculating the value of I, which is coming 10 by 7. Okay, that means option number 1 is correct for this sum. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple. You can easily do in the examination hall. Clear? So practice this type of sum as much as possible. So if you can practice all the MCQ which I will do over here, okay, already I have done or I will do. Clear? Chapter wise, subject wise. Okay, so I think you will be much more confident while appearing in the examination hall. Okay, like the NEET or joint entrance exam. Clear? So hope you have understood. So without further delay, let us move to problem number 5. Okay students, so now here let us come to problem number 5. Okay, a current of 8 ampere flows in the system of resistor. That means 8 ampere current is what? Entering in this system of resistance. Clear? As shown in the figure, the potential difference between VC minus VA, that will be what? That we have to find out. Okay, so the potential difference between VC and VA. Clear? So this, suppose this current is I, so this current will also be I, and total is 8. So it will be what? 8 minus I, and this is also will be 8 minus I. Clear? these two are in series and these two resistances are in series, and it will be again I. Clear? Sorry, it will be again 8. Okay, it will meet and it will be again 8. Okay, so now the potential difference. Okay, so now what? Let the current I is flowing through what? The current I is flowing through DAB. Clear? So 8 minus I will flow through what? 8 minus I will flow through DCB. Clear? DCB. Now the voltage across what? DAB is equal to what? I into 5 plus 6. Okay, and the voltage across DCB is equal to I into what? 4 plus 2. Clear? I into 4 plus 2. Now what is that? In balanced condition, okay, in balanced condition what will be that? Okay, it is not in balanced condition, right? So voltage across DA is equal to this what? I into R means what? 5 is equal to what? VD minus VA. Clear? Voltage across DC is equal to what? 8 minus I into 4 is equal to what? VD minus VC. It is number 1, it is number 2. Okay, so it is what? 32 minus 4I is equal to VD minus VC. Okay, so it is the question number 2. Clear? Now 1 minus 2 we get 1 minus 2 we get what? 1 is what? VD minus VA is equal to 5I. Okay, and it is VD minus VC is equal to what? 32 minus 4I. So minus plus. Okay, so this will be cancelled. So VC minus VA is equal to minus 32 plus 9I is equal to 9I minus 32. Clear? Now, so up to this it is clear. Okay, so voltage of this and this we are finding. Clear? And what is VC minus VA is equal to what? Minus 32 plus 4I and plus 5I means 9I. So 9I minus 32. Clear? Now in the balance condition we have to find out. Clear? The value of I. So in the balance condition the voltage across this and across these arms will be same. Clear? So you have to find out the voltage in the balance conditions. Clear? So I am rubbing this. In balance condition, what is that? I into 5 plus 6 is equal to 8 minus I into 4 plus 2, right? Therefore, I into, so it is what? 11I is equal to 8 minus I into 6, okay? So that means what? 11I is equal to 48 minus 6I. So 11I plus 6I is equal to what? 48. So 79 is equal to what? 48 by 48, clear? So I is equal to what? 48 by 17 ampere, clear? Now here we have to put the value of I, okay? Now VC minus VA is equal to 9 into 48 by 17 minus 32. So 17, 9 into 48 minus 32 into 17. So VC minus VA, it is minus 32. Okay, so 99 minus 32, clear? VD minus VA, just a minute, VD minus VA is equal to this. So VD minus VA is equal to 5i and VD minus VC is equal to 32 minus 4i. So it is what? Minus plus, okay, this will be cancelled. So it is VC minus VA is equal to minus 32 plus 9i. So 9i minus 32. So it will be 9i minus 32. As it's coming. .6 approximate volt, clear? So the option number B will be correct, clear? So it will be 6.6 volt. So I am explaining it once again, clear? So the answer will be option number B, clear? I am explaining it once again. So in the balance condition, what will happen? This and this will be equal. So I into 5 plus 6 is equal to 8 minus I into 4 plus 2. So the value of I is coming like this, clear? And the voltage across this will be what? 8I, clear? Will be 5I, okay, 5I is equal to what? VD minus VA, VD minus VA, clear? And it will be what? VD minus VC. It will be the kind is flowing, so it is VD minus VC. So it is coming what? 99 minus 32. So we are putting the value of I, it is coming 6.6 volt, clear? So students, hope you have understood this, clear? If you have any doubts or any clarification you want, you can write in comments, clear? So without further delay, now let us move to problem number 6. Okay students, so here one circuit is given, circle, clear? Circular circuit is given, the value of E resistances are R and B and D are also connected, clear? With a resistor, that value of that resistor is also R. Now we have to find out the equivalent resistance, okay, of the total circuit given, okay? And the 4 values are given A, B, C, D. It is half R, 2 R, 5 by 8 R and 8 by 5 R, whatever we have to calculate, we have to do solve the numeric problem and then we have to match the option with our answer. Option is given means answer is given, clear? Now the thing is that we have to redraw it, okay? We have to redraw it, how? See? So it is A, B, it is C, it is D, okay? So each resistance is R, it is also R, it is also R. See, A, B, this, clear? B, C, this, clear? C, D, this, okay? D, A, this, and B, D is R, clear? So this is actual the circuit, just like the Wheatstone bridge. Okay. Now the thing is that, see, this and this, okay, the this and this are in, this and this are in what? Are in series. So BC and DC are in series. Clear? So equivalent resistance R1 is equal to what? R plus R is equal to twice R. Clear? So it is what? Twice R. Clear? Now this is in parallel with this BD. Okay, so 2R is in parallel with BD. Clear? This is what? This is parallel with BD. Clear? So equivalent resistance okay, R2 is equal to what? 2 resistors, that means what? 2R and R are in parallel, so 2R into R by 2R plus R. Clear? That will be what? So this will be in parallel with this. Okay, so it will be what? This 2R and this R, so it will be 2R square by 3R. So this will be cancelled. Okay, so 2R by 3 ohms. Clear? So this is in parallel with this. Okay, so now R2 is in series, then here up to this it is R2. Clear? So that is in series with this. Clear? This R2 is in series with AD is equal to capital R. Clear? So equivalent resistance is equal to R plus 2R by 3 is equal to what? 3 will be the LCM, 3R plus 2R is equal to 5R by 3. Clear? 5R by 3. Up to this we completed. Now this is in parallel with this. So it is what? It is suppose R3. Okay, so R3 and AB is equal to R are parallel. So R equivalent is equal to what? Two resistances are in parallel. Okay, so 5R by 3 into capital R divided by 5R by 3 plus capital R is equal to what? 5R square by 3, and here 3 will be the LCM, 5R plus 3R is equal to 5R square by 3 into 3 by 8R. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, is equal to 5 by 8 R. Okay, ohms. Okay, so 5 by 8 R, that means option number 3. So answer will be option number C. Okay, so that will be your answer. Clear? So that means what? I am explaining it once again. You have to keep your head cool while solving this sum, otherwise you will make a mistake. Okay, so here it is, circle is given and 4 resistors are connected. Okay, AB, BC, CD and DA. Each of the value of each resistor is capital R, and BD is also connected with another resistor capital R. Clear? Now we have to redraw the circuit just like the Wheatstone bridge. Okay, so this is AB, this is what? BC, this is what? CD, this is what? DA. Clear? And each value of each resistor are R. Okay, and BD, that is what? Also capital R, that is connected. So this is our circuit now. Now you see, from one end we have to start. So we are starting from this end. So these two are in series. If the current is come, same current will flow. So these two are in series. So BC and CD or DC are in series. So equivalent resistance what will be? R plus R, that means 2R. So equivalent resistance will be 2R. Clear? Now this 2R is in parallel with this. Clear? Because here the current will divide. Clear? One part will go here and the part will go there. So that is in parallel with this. Clear? So that means what? It's parallel with BD. BD means what? R. So 2R and R are in parallel. So equivalent resistance are 2 up to this. What? If the two resistors are in parallel, then product of the resistances divided by sum of the resistances. So it is 2R square by 3R. That means 2R by 3 ohms. Clear? This is in series with this. The same kind will flow. Clear? So the series with AD. So R2 in series with AD is equal to R. That means this and these are in series. So that's why equivalent resistance will be what? R3 will be summation of these two. So it is coming 5R by 3. Now this is in parallel with this AB. This is in parallel with this AB is equal to R, and this 5R by 3 are in parallel. So 5R by 3 equivalent into R divided by 5R by 3 plus R. So after calculation 5 by 8 R is coming. So 5 by 8 R means option number D. Clear? So this is our sum. So if you have not understood, then you can pause the video and see the sum, and if you face again any problem, then let me know in the comments. I will again explain it for you. Clear? So I hope you have understood, and this is a very common type of sum that very often used to come in the exams like JEE or NEET. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Clear? Now let us move to the problem number 7. Okay students, so here our problem number 7. Okay, in a Wheatstone network P, Q, R, S value are given. Okay, now S, see, P, Q, R value are same, S the value is different. Clear? Now the B needs to be in balance condition. That means the value of S should be the ratio of P by Q is equal to R by S. Clear? In the balance condition. So the extra resistance should be shunted with S. We have to find out the value of that extra resistance. Okay, so that the bridge will be in balance condition. Okay. Now see, I am drawing a figure for you. Okay, so that you will understand it properly. Okay, so here it is P, Q, R, S. Okay, that is A, B, C, D. Now see, it is what? It is 2 ohms. It is what? It is also 2 ohms. It is also 2 ohms. Here it is 3 ohms. Clear? Now see, it is not imbalanced. Now we are adding a shunt with it. Let the value of shunt is R. Clear? So that this should be what? So what we know in balance condition? In condition what? P by Q is equal to R by it is not R because R is given, so we are writing here it is X. Okay, so equivalent of this, okay, equivalent of this, suppose it is S dash. Okay, where S dash is the equivalent resistance of S and X. Okay, so what is the value? 2 is equal to 2 by S dash. Okay, so this will be cancelled, so S dash is equal to 2 ohms. Clear? Now the equivalent resistance of these two will be 2 ohms. Clear? So by the problem, what you can write? 1 by equivalent resistance means 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by S plus 1 by X. Okay, therefore 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by S means 2 plus 1 by it is 3, S means what? 3. Clear? By 1 by X. Clear? That means what? 1 by X is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So 6 will be the LCM. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 6. So X is equal to 6 ohms. Clear? So X is equal to 6 ohms. Okay, so option number D. So which option will be correct? Answer will be option number D. That will be your correct answer. Clear? So student, hope you have understood this. I am explaining it once again. So P, Q, R, S, 4 resistances are given. Clear? And the value of 3 resistances are same, 2 each. Okay, now here it is 3, so we have to connect one shunt to make it balance condition. Clear? Now see what we know in balance condition. Suppose the equivalent resistance of these 2 is S dash. So P by Q is equal to R by S dash. So what is the value of P? 2 by S dash. So S dash should be also 2. Now the thing is that S dash should be also 2. Now the thing is that where these two resistances are in parallel. Clear? So equivalent resistance is 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by S plus 1 by X. Clear? So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by S means 3 plus 1 by X. So from this, the value of X is coming 6. Okay. So this is the sum. Very easy. Clear? So I hope whatever the problems we have done up to this, you understand it properly. Now let us move to the last problem of today's episode. Last but not the least, problem number 8. Okay students, now here it is the problem from the meter bridge. Okay, so what is the value of an unknown resistance capital R? This type of very common problem. Capital R at a galvanometer, so that means in the balance condition. Clear? So we have to find out. Now here it is what? It is, suppose it is R1. Okay, it is R2. Clear? And it is what? It is the L. Okay, and the total length is what? 100. Okay, so what is the formula? R1 by R2 is equal to L by 100 minus L. So that is the formula. Clear? So here L is equal to what? 40. Okay, so R1 means what? 65. 65 by R is equal to 40 divided by 100 minus 40. So it's very easy now. Clear? So 65 by R is equal to what? 40 by 60. Okay. So 65 by R is equal to 2 by 3. So twice R is equal to 192. So R is equal to 192 by 195 by 2. So okay, so 97.5. Okay, 50 ohms. So option number, so answer will be what? Option number A. That will be the answer. Clear? So see, I am explaining it once again. Okay, so here what is the formula? R1 by R2 is equal to L by 100 minus L. Okay, so here R1 is equal to what? 65. Clear? And R2 is equal to what? R is equal to 40 divided by L means what? 40 divided by 100 minus 40. Clear? So R1 means what? 65 by R is equal to 40 by 60. 100 minus 40 means 60. So from here we are finding the value of R is equal to 97.5 or 97.50. Clear? So hope you have understood. So that is the unknown resistor, the value of unknown resistor capital R. By applying the formula directly we can determine. Okay. So students, so up to this today. So if you have any queries, any suggestion you want, okay, any type of videos, okay, related to the academics you want to see, then you write in comments. Don't forget to share it, okay, among your friends or your relatives or among your known circle, so that every student should get benefit from it. Clear? And practice makes you perfect for the examination. You can get rid of your fear, and you can gain your confidence. So that's why each and every episode which I will upload regarding the JEE and NEET special, the students, those who are appearing the board exams, also those who are preparing for the NEET and joint exam, very useful for you. Clear? So don't miss. Clear? Follow each and every episode. Each Friday I will upload one episode on JEE and NEET special. Clear? So keep watching my channel. Okay, so thank you for watching and be with me.